the Kashoko, I'm a Cherry Kamacho, never show what you talk. Panakimano, that is killer on the beat. I am for cool queen. Sisoto kissing that I keep Papa kissing fool. Cool queen, I keep my nigga, Hulu, matter fuck.
I'm saying, what's up? You good?
What's up?
We are the stars. Hey,
Shout out, Mushweshwe. The chair, my brother. Yeah. Shout out, Mushweshwe. Oh, yes, yeah, man, yeah. Shout out, Mushweshwe. Yeah. AV. Shout out, big bro, shout out. What we need
for your way out. Mangikhipha nigga ngene class. Walelinya for your way out. Mangishisa nigga ngene class. I don't care if it is like please man. Keep it to pass make it fun. I don't even know what it's like. Tell me to pass let's make it time. Started the issue the long range on long game game. Hey, I've been moving with the best one till the young man game. Hey, we moving from the old days. First grade 8th grade. Hey, long zen game. Hey, I ain't gameless game. Hey, middle finger that quick. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah. I want to talk as my dick.
Get out.
Shot. So this is Amatevele. Mwanuka Mutivele. Shot. Should I take it so? Should I take more? I'm a missionary spread you where to go. One more. You make it. My head thing. One to the cup. Yeah.
We gon' hop soon. We gon' hop soon.
This is Amatevele. Atimandevele. Achukila Mutivele. Agafunu Kwenesekele. Toli stadium akene. Pating ngene. Hey, ngene. Pate bambene. Itoli stadium akene.
Amatevele, Mutevele, ay, Makene, Kitene Banaba, Mutevele, Baba Tabakile, Tivele, Baba Tivele, I'm the student, Tivele, Mutevele,
Shout out Chad. Shout out Chad.
When the color flashes, everything's been full circle. What we want through it is the same thing that you want from to. If we don't change them, we never realize where we come from. It comes in full circle. When you wonder where the stems grow from, but wonder the shapes is and the sizes and the mazes. Shift is all the lights is when you colors analyzes. Flip shit like a strip sis and the lasers from the ties in. When you take in all the shapes in and you go straight from the sides. When you take it, when you wonder what I'm when you wonder, then you never said it for the feelings aside. Barre, I think seven. doing that like Kevin. I'm not doing that like Kevin. Like Kevin.
Bikin dalam-dalam Kapal-kapal bagus John Bila kena pada kuat Kita nak koyak banyak
Shout out everybody in the chat.
Kita nak koyak banyak Kapal-kapal bagus John Bila kena pada kuat Bila kena pada kuat Bagi kena like a heavenly Let's make it heavenly Let's make it like heavenly Kena pada kuat
Mwanukai Mutivele.
Yeah. Shoot. That's all. Hey, shoot. Hey, listen. Itoli ntombe matebele. Yegele. Matisibele. Rafonege mdibele. Itoli ntombe matebele. Enye ngithole makhalane. Bathe makene. Hayi balangene. Bathi mkhiphe nangene. Bayeke ngibapene. Yeah. Tebele, ngematebele, Choti sitada, matebele, choti sitada.
I'm a tank, of course. I watch what I eat, cause in my brain. Busy digesting the things that I say. Things that they do, I aim to steal. And they're gonna do many of parents. That's how they listen, whatever they tell us. I run to the floor, go run by the pillar. Stuck in my lane, everything is just better. Ooh, then I take off. Don't you
Hey, kita sisi tebele, tebele, wano kan,
Whose phone is this, Yawa?
Kaya maspala type, you know
Whose
what
phone
that
is
type
this?
is.
Bantivel,
Okay, jiphone niya ako, Yawa mo.
Siya kumpe twice.
They get it big. They get it big. They get it big, man. They get it big, they keep blue. They get it big.
Shout out everybody in the
no.
chat.
They get it big for sure. Aye. They get it big. They get it big. Kapina tena kya basira kapa magia jole hubi aleva kimba di beach no kenyeza ka umpita ai di wasi kabona tinya di pika unalipiti underground hizo tamazekinya banda sabani daifi maji wa pamisa ai unalimona PH trainer sasa mahala sana sasa mahala adipiti sasa manja jana rasi kibita mali sana ai kibita mali sana kama una picho machete kacho machete picho sana ai kibita mali sana ile mali sana ai ugamona sana kibata creo sana Teki kanagabona man ai kanagabona man teki kabona man ai kanagabona man unaraona unaraona wanaompania kanagabona kanagabona man kanagabona man kanagabona chef take it big they get it big they get it big God no they get it big for sure they get it big man they get it big they get it big man they get it big man they get it big hey they get it big too they get it big God no they get it big for sure
Also live, it's also live.
Just myself in a situation where you couldn't even understand. I flow nicely like a water. My ocean thoughts make you feel cooler. My thoughts are incordial, intelligent mind. My vibes are overrated, but so is my mind. I feel like I'm insane sometimes. Like right now, you see, I'm not connecting now.
Isn't that bag of tricks?
Look at the big. Look at the big. Look at the big. Look at the big. Look at the big.
This is how you show. This is how you show. This is how you show up. This is how you show. This is how you show up. Yeah. Let's go. It's an open mic session, so we here to show our skills, our intellect. Let's go hit to hit, progress on the session. Make sure that we have a nice concession. Yeah. Celebrate our minds. Make sure that we elevate our minds. Shit, I gotta find the right lines, but as long as this beat is playing on, I'll be fine. Yeah, my ocean thoughts are flowing. I'm cordial. Oh shit, let's go. Let's go. It's an open mic session, so let's be free. It's an open mic session, so let's be free. It's an open mic session, so let's be free. It's an open mic section, so let's be free. Let our energies align, beat in time. Make sure that you listen to this rhyme. I'm nice on the beat, you can tell I am fine. You know how we flowing. Ocean time. On a timeline that is different. I'm a magician, I'm majestic, showing my potential. As you notice that I'm AV, I'm awakening. You notice I'm awakening. You notice I can never tell a lie, nigga. I am potent. More potent than the weed that I'm smoking. I'm higher than the fly, 30,000 feet each day. Nigga, if you scared, you can never climb the heights that I'm on, nigga. I can't. You know how we feel, nigga. How we feel. I'm on track like a conductor. I am dead, nigga. Showing them my spirit lying dead, nigga. I roll louder than a lion, nigga. My talent is a
One, two. Oh, yo.
yeah.
Remember, I'm a 4 bars one time. Yo.
What y'all think? It's crazy!
Wire. We're coming through. We're burning like a fire. Yo.
Bring the beat back! 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 What's all confident, dumb one? Shout out, Tricks is in the house also. Yeah, we're going crazy. We're alive. And let's secret hand!
For me, I just want to know, like, tell me, like, how are you feeling about one night? Comment, say. If you don't like it, come on, we're waiting for it. But me, I'm waiting for Gia. Where's Gia?
Gia, where are you today? Gia, we need money.
How we gave you. This is a game.
Yeah, we're going crazy.
Hey, this is a game. What you, Herotino chase you. We are up in here, in M. We are killing it. We don't give a damn.
shout out to that one niggas.
Good hand is in the house, bro.
Boss better than a man in our streets. I'm pretty proud that we hosted this event. So shout out to everyone who is here.
There they are, bitch. There they are.
Alright, as my nigga fix the mind, let us progress with the lines. Make sure that everything is in sync. This rhyme is fantastic, you know, majestic. Lighting up this place with my voice, I'm fantastic. You know, that line, I gotta give it a break before I drop the word because it's insane. Going off the top of my head, but it's crazy. I should put these lines in a song, cause maybe it will give me my
Going off top.
You know, cause I ain't never doing this shit for. I'm doing this for racks. I'm trying
Open
to
mic session and everybody is going off the dome. No writtens. Crazy shit. Crazy shit. If you think you can take all these beats, tell us on a poll. Can you take this beat? Can you kill this beat? Woo! I should have made. I should have made a. Yo, I wanna go through. Also, Joe, I wanna go through, but I'm here holding the phone, making content. I need to charge also. God, Jesus Christ. Yesterday it was the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is great today, and now the only problem is my phone is flat. So we're gonna go crazy. I think I need to get a space around there so I can charge and then go live. We live! We live! We live! Another beat. Obatakite. Tiata. We live! Yesterday was crazy and we were crazy. Yes, Tato M.
Gimana kamu tahu mana?
Don't worry, talk to
Bad.
my phone. My phone. Temelote.
Mama nggak tahu itu. Mana sama ni kita fotolah.
We live.
Number guys,
We have a song with this lady, Joe. We have a song and it's gonna come out. It's Kawanga Eye. Listen. It's all guys, I promise. And it's a really good one. But female president of hip hop. Yeah, it's Monsieur. It's somebody from Belgium. And then this one, Living State, where it ends everywhere. Comply and complain later.
Yes.
She's a singer, an incredible vocalist too. So, but yeah, she's around. And yeah, we're gonna go crazy. Let me show you guys the whole gig, Joe. Are you good? Time is Nah, it's gonna be okay. No. Neither. I give you right to do things. All the parents. We are live! We are live! Yo, Mushasha, what up, my homie? It's AV, baby, let's go! Dog is crazy out here, it's crazy! What's that cocker? My bro is back, he's here! Broski, what up? Crazy.
Yo, incredible, dog. It's out of this world.
If I do it, then I get to do it like it
Sorry for that.
Now we're missing inside all the cats call me Nemo. They can never find me like I'm
Paris all the way. It's going crazy. I wish y'all could come over Lebanon and Tongolong with Alahi, but it's crazy here.
Especially my cheese at those
Sentana let's go. And I was not able to get him, but you're not Sentana let's go. Game is in the Kadile, guys. Essentially, Shabile Padinsa.
Copa, Shebele Pirates, I'm not missing a dollar.
only we.
Musheshe o fe dintho di update tsa yona da dog.
Sheshe re tshepile wena guys. Mara ma Chiefs. Ma Chiefs
Let's go. No.
Mbona Musheshe o re ke bokae? 5-0. Musheshe o re ke 5-0. And there's another one. We live. Yeah, man. Era kiswa. Bua le yena, bua le yena dog. Mo botse fela. Yo, the only thing that is like hitting me so bad is the fact that I cannot charge. I cannot charge at all. Guys, Telan Zaga, ke thole tšhelete ya go reka phone. Telan Zaga, I need to buy a phone too. Get somebody da, I like to buy. Victory. Agna tšhelete ya go bapala. Agna tšhelete ya go bapala.
Donate for my friend. I need a new phone.
Agna tšhelete.
If you can see this phone right now.
This phone is perfect. But I really need to buy a new phone. Ke soteile ke a ke hane. Agna phone mara re tlo e pompa ntweng. YouTube nzameng guys. Wanyiwa phone ifaka. Let's see what's going on. Alright, I need to get myself charged up. Azan! Okonshebelo agnogona o kena da. Agnogona o kena da. Agnogona o kena da.
Let's get it, bitches back in the house, so pretty, this flow, touching water, yeah, city, rushing up on the mic, cause I got it, me up in the city, yeah, I got it, love it, love these flows, I got it.
AV is right there.
I'm on note, I got this bounce and this.
Yeah, bro, I do need a phone, a really good looking phone. It's sharp. It's a phone open into a sharp, dog. I'm a struggling artist, Joe. I'm a struggling artist. But yeah, man, I'm gonna buy a new phone because I'm live now and things are not looking great in father. But yeah, I need to buy a new phone so that, you know, I can give you good content. But we here, we live. Right there, it's AV performing right now. Twin Black right there, Twin Black.
Poi gli alimenti, Let's get it. I'll be close. Let's just yeah. Money in my mind all day. All I touch is money.
Take the mic then.
So, dog. We live!
We live, baby.
We live! So, my feet to you.
Oh, take the mic then. Put that beat, my nigga. He picked up.
Everybody's going crazy. They don't know, bro. Entertain people. What up? Yo, Michelle, thank you, bro. Let's go.
Bisa dekat mana yung instrument dia hanya ada film bisa.
Latom. Oh, is it that one?
Is it worth all your life? Tell me, is it worth the sacrifice? Is it worth all your life? Tell me, is it worth the sacrifice? All the days of your life, Tell me if it's something you put aside as you wish for your pride. But taking notice of the things aside, you just have to go the way that you used to go. Just like a domino, it's not like a domino. You could have go, you want the status quo. Drop like it's domino, drop like it's domino. Is it worth in your life? Tell me, is it worth the sacrifice? Is it worth all your life? Tell me if it's worth the sacrifice all the days of your life. Tell me if it's worth the sacrifice. Is it worth all your life? Tell me if it's worth the sacrifice. live. Shout out to Bethlehem. This is a house, baby.
How's everybody doing?
The invasion has begun, and it is happening. It is happening both live and literally and like physically. You can just come here, really. It's an open mic session. We've been having a great time with the artists inside the house. Spectacular talent that is surrounding us today. The likes of Mad and Bad Bad, obviously. Come on, man. It's not an invasion without the crew. Come on. You know what it is. You know the rules. We came with a lot of entourage. Now me, I'm still a new MC, so I still don't know a lot of artists. So I'm gonna butcher some names here. But I already know what's happening. Beautiful and talented people is all I'm witnessing on the stage. And if you've been with us live, you know as well.
We are live,
right?
We
so
are live.
here. The presence, you can feel it. Just them being here.
We are live.
Shout out to you guys. I am enjoying
You hear what he said?
Not literally. Also is welcoming. I felt at home. If you go to Bethlehem artist, you feel at home. You know, so this is like
Let's go.
Bethlehem light for them. It still feels like home. It's just away from home, you know. And yeah. So I'm also enjoying myself. I went on the mic a couple of times. It's an open mic session. So if you're an artist and you're at home live, you see us, we're here. You can come through, and we're still going on for about the next 10 minutes. You're gonna enjoy some live music. Then after that, we're gonna start with our artists. It's not an invasion unless the enemy attacks first.
Let the ladies come with the mic now.
You got it.
Yeah, what's up? I'm allowed to represent now.
Who takes the mic? Who takes the mic? Oh yeah, it's an open mic. Oh yeah, it's an open mic. Oh yeah, it's an open mic. No justice coming in, but it comes with numbers just like you come to in. So if you wanna get a countdown, maybe you can count on him. If you wanna get some numbers, then you can go for 2-1. I'm doing my jersey. I'm talking numbers. I'm talking people, players, those who deserve it. We just counting on the blessings. You know the way we better than curving, better than emotions. Whatever you want, you don't even swerve it. Unless you just ride and step on the highway and we living the life way. Straight in the highway and the highway and we taking it our way. Taking them circles, we taking the highway and I'm talking the sideways. Like we going in and we're taking the sideway and we're taking the sad way and the bad way. We going to get the rag way. Open mic. Yeah. It's an open mic. Oh yeah. It's an open mic. Oh yeah.
You wanna go live? Yeah, bro, go get yourself that on fire. It's gonna be lit. Natay hardcore sehen. Skype, natay
playlist yabo.
Bafana babanyemelezi. Yeah, I get it. Kiri special kan. Awuna special kan.
Jesus, awuraba.
Ah, ona la idesi.
Gat Jesus.
Batho ba ba entseng ntho e mona. Tshemole mona e fine. Ne tjo.
Gat Jesus.
Now ona la idesi.
Yes, sir.
Solemtelela shis. Ay, mlala waka wetsa je na ndo aso concept. Dog, mlala waka wetsa je.
Ah, kemu.
Dog you Joshua. Aye. Welcome back, bro.
Era que passagem. Dessa vez. Finalmente. Let's go.
Yeah, how about that?
Let's go. Let's go.
How about that?
Let's go.
Yeah,
I could eat for 9 lives.
famous for life. I could eat for 9 lives. Ha ke tsebe hore nka e beha somewhere ne. Kapa ha nka isa le kwana ne. Oh, that is
Let's go. Get the quarter. Let's Yeah. Yeah.
Untshwarele na. Simletho cheese.
Let's go.
Oh, you didn't
I'm well adjusted, toe to toe with the subject. Hey, do the most, I'm the fucking suspect. Hey, let's go. Object of this crime. Be careful, life, I lead the fine life. Subject, yeah, let's go, touch it. I know, rushing. That's not my style of thing. Nah, let's go. Let's do the most. I introduce you to me. I'm right up in my eye, gonna fulfill my mission. Yeah, or welcome. So, yeah, we open up my soldiers to the most. Now let's touch the subject. Let's go. We were jumping. Give us all the fucking chicken nuggets. There's something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. I hope everybody's still having a good time. Let's listen to the music. Let's vibe.
Paco in the building. It's an invasion like Mr. Shaq LeMay said. He has a mic on now, so he's ski mask Shaq. He's ski mask Shaq now. And he's going to do the most.
You said make play, you see that.
Go on, my selector.
Then I thought you already played it.
Hyenas. Where's the name? Yeah. Hyenas. Hyenas. Where's the ninjas? Hyenas. 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 Where the ninjas? Hyenas. Hyenas. Where the ninjas? Bar for bar, yeah, we go like we introducing ourselves like, yeah, we going on like this. Our last time, every yeah, session. Let's go back to back, my confession. I'm trying to show how I've been living this subject all night. Yeah, I'm a nice guy, but don't you try and touch me. Nigga, I'm going crazy, nigga, stuck is bucket. On my head, but now it's a beanie I like. I'm just trying to show you that I'm hood inside, my nigga. That's how we be here, that's how we be here. Go, Chef, hey, so much buzz I can give it to who's second. 1, 2, there might be a team like who's second. USB, pick up the cheese, the who's second. But when we so bad, they a team like who's second. Who's second, this is team like who's second. Now my data sheet with who's second. And who's second, this is sweet, just who's second. The only who team, I beg up there, but who's second. Only who's on my TikTok with who's second. Only who's on the can with who's second. Only who's on the like who's second. Maybe only who's on the block of who's second. So somebody is skinny, so somebody is skinny. One more about your feedy, so somebody is skinny. 6 seconds is skinny, she's a man is skinny. 6 man about you, man, and 6 man is skinny. You get about 6 about 6 about is skinny. But I want to skinny, so somebody is skinny. So somebody is skinny, so somebody is skinny. So somebody is skinny, so somebody is skinny. Kasing Baniga, Saluto Tobana, and a shy line from where they see Saluto Tobana. Utunesi, let's see a Tali so bad. To a sick and a snapping, I get a Tali so bad. Hyenas, come on, yeah. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on, yeah. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on, yeah. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on. Come on, hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on. Where the names is at, come on. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on.
It's yours.
Please. I'm repeating that one again. Please.
You wanna hear that verse? You wanna hear that verse? You wanna hear that verse, nigga? You wanna hear that verse? Hyenas, where the names is at, come on. Yeah. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on. Hyenas, hyenas, where the names is at, come on. Yeah. Hey. Plus you already know the studio is short with the hustle of songs. We be running and we eating for couple piranhas. And I'm jumping in the sun up and cover the sun up. We rising up to the bottom and wasting the sun up. Yeah, like the way that we do it with stars. I've seen a couple niggas with better with bars. But you know, we do it for better with stars. That's how we do it the way they did it, eating with ours. Hey, we get it, we get it, we get it, let's do it, yeah, get it, yeah, we get it, and talk to us, we get it, yeah, and shit split, blind and me, my home room top. I got no sun real. I compromise my way to
Yeah, I was like, Saturday.
Oh, where I was going through and I was seeing windows. Going in separate windows. It's so old. More for keep. My gun, I'll be home. Yeah, that's the way we get. Yeah, and it's red, yeah. 6 points or so. Let it rip, yeah. Let it rip, let it rip, let it rip. I eat it, let it rip, let it rip, let it rip. Let it rip, I eat it, let it, yeah, I eat it all. Let it bang, let that, come on. I eat it, where the name, yo, come on. Can't I eat it, can't I eat it, where the name, I rap, come on.
Kikisa, smona nesika dispani nasika. Omane ningangi tapi mamfika. Omane ningangi panchi hobikam. Siga Mohammed Ali, Spani, Uten. Rakatu mamafika, ngapui kumbe. Rakatu business, samajapatu divest. Rakatu pandatu, patatu, maksatu. Sapega like ratatu, skini. Bapatu, trichis. Rapatu, for the stress, man, mabru, no smells. Ngaba blue, blomuka. Mana blue, zomuka. Barbecue, blomuka. Mana blue, zomuka. Barbecue, petit. And then, Angela Minking, sending, spending. Angela Ngapringa. Hakamani Joma Podcast, na say move to Bulinga. Jump back to see Fenza. Angela Matriwan. You know I'm a son of intelligence. They started me by the fucking CIA. Yeah, I'm ready for this nigga play. Don't play, nigga. It's the race, it's the race. Yeah, come on, it's the race, it's the race.
Where's that at?
You put it up for where the child is. Executing rap and eat the monkey of a police. Make a honey put it right, so we got a tightness. But the eat the kid out the back of time of tightness. What? You put it up for where the child is. Executing rap and eat the monkey of a police. Make a honey put it right, put it on the tightness. But the eat the kid out the back of time of tightness. Check, so you gotta move back. And I gotta go on the side that you take a feedback. That's what I'm a jump up with the one keep my head. All I'm not saying is
I know they're going crazy! Who's like right now? Shout out, bro. Just kill him.
If you ever see the proper daughter, it's from my daughter, no daughter. And you play with my own daughter. So get us up to bed, you just see why in my own daughter.
Michapisi with Parakis. Or Satana like Obama is. The only class where the devil is. Hey, Satana is a massive devil is. Devil is. Or Sapat Bangabus Puga, Minuma Yugu Yugu, Sukuki Yugu, Suki, when you can Yugu,
What up? Everybody's going crazy. Shout out Ted. Come still in the house, baby. Come still in the house. All day, every day, baby.
Either we use this or this. So this one is
Okay.
That's all to his own. I'm not. Yeah. Yes.
feel like one year monitors tamele shebe mutu ne so that Oscar I said we don't perform Oscar why so
yazwakala ke ngathi ngizwa ngila yabona time behind like exactly behind so mawuyane is the movie yazwakala ke
get off my energy. Too much to rap your present. I gotta be shiny like a man off my color. Color like an apple present. I'm a company. Too shiny like a color from the heavy. I'm a thing I'm watching on the chicks who wanna think I'm the same. Kinda icy. You can see my eyes. You want the right man until I'm all blind. You know the rap, and they wanna jack like a bastard and dance. So you can use the style, so you gotta quit rap. And he's never gonna lose it too fast. Yeah.
you did that shit live killed it live
Peace was a mess, so I best
crazy.
So bring more to the game, make it less to feel worse.
Buffet bump it off another one a bump
What is that? Hey, y'all still good, everybody? Still having fun, right? Nice job.
Utsiba manga kapula ya this beat
Nice job.
Utsiba manga kapula ya this beat Utsiba manga
Come on. Nice job.
Utsiba manga kapula ya this beat Utsiba manga kapula ya this beat Agno yara Akira Levanta again No I'm on no Bagu no Okay Bagu no Everybody say no So I'm not going there
Up my sleeve, should I reveal it or not? You might think I'm a club bro, so slow down, hold it down. Let me just check my
We live baby we live
Working on my shit all this day. Tryna track my shit, make sure that you can't feel my chest. Hey, I'm waiting.
Everybody's going crazy
You know, hey, real, live every day.
Yeah Try back to the way Why not back to the way I didn't do that I didn't do that
But
Everybody's showing up Baba everybody's showing up So crazy thing outside of bar. It's crazy. Usually we in the studio doing this. Hey, what is by the way? Shout out Shaq the man.
There you are, my time. You want niggas to feel you better drop it on hype. It's like a GZ on the microphone, now you shut up. You don't want to make a mess, nigga. You fucked up. Let's go.
Abafana ngelungu ngileli.
Just sing after me, leave me like open. Chef, when I'm really done.
Wala no le guy.
Father first, Jesus. I truly bless Jesus. Come on, chef, when I'm really done. Father first, Jesus. Truly first, Jesus. Colonia e figlia. Chef, guarda la vita con me. Guarda la vita con me, anche con me.
Are you feeling this?
Okay, but you got the good best. The Kakala Party sounds practicing a party that I didn't go was a study. Physica e le bomba al compagnie la giunta da traspare facciare passare. Canada nati e Pamela la lela sempigi. Wabun kudo kwali strata taking out the hamba too.
Yeah. Sorry, people, we need to get a lineup going now.
Yo.
Where's the lineup? Hey guy lineup ya. Aso na MC. Jole how buta gona ka lineup. Kwa ya tamele ngati go lineup.
If Jesus speaks another people, never Jesus now the future and tell you something. Jesus speaks another people, never Jesus.
Shut up. Bro, it's been killing it. Tell it
This ain't Stormzy. It's that nigga IG. Select. Give my repeat, the niggas. I'm like the shadow in the dark, shadow be my house, shadow in the street, come back, I'm see my toilet wrong or hey. Yeah, man. Question, who's better than IG? Stumble on the scene already know it's my team. Rap Grace, my name, for me the last thing. The president of Contella, the mom, she gets the 6 feet. Very Makaka, Baka, more than the street. The Manga Ice Tea. Bitch, Professor KD. See this game, very red, controller by G. I use something here, when the place gets before me, during this thing. Jamakashela kaskubu jamanashela venda manteba kibna Vina shenda mahashela Baba mambo na meifuza wetala Kiva juti dore this is my team Jamana pena pes Jama chechena zumba pena Jama ekela man this is my team This is how we pull up then I get some team I need a goal, I know that team Practice both, then we my team Wait and see who the fool, party. I don't have no ball, you wanna hear a nigga, see you nigga, see a nigga, bitch like me. I'm a hustler, 24 days, over so much time. Bet you wanna be the next big team. Bet you want to say, fuck these bitches, yeah, little bitch. Bet you wanna get a crowd like here. Please, crowd like here. Crowd like here. Yes. I don't want to knock ball, they wanna hit a nigga, see you nigga, see it, nigga, rich like king. That's my team. Shut. That is cool, that's my team. I keep it funny. Inzatucheki janja, yente khubeni yana janja. Musali haka zeba zatile na neki waka mbita kaskini kamuji baganza. Lichanja mokholo jege never anga, aketabe ne mountain. Akisa, impando zakakazenu, afela gali baje. Imujete jana bona nure jabu chete, ajeni jabu dike, ajeni jabu dike. So, should I take it slow or should I take more? Hey. I'm a mission now, it's ready where to go. You make that thing one time. King of the league, they call me Mayweather. Over for Jets Apostle, they put the Jets song. Sure, who don't want money, we all you. So watch out how we do it. One way improvement, better this what it is. 10 years looking for this. I need that. Yo, be the boy. Bro, this is real rap. I said I'm a cat. Start with voices, yeah. We start with noises, you know. The fact is, we bring a real vibe right in BHM, nigga. Real rappers count that life when we hear our voice, yeah. With the voices or the voiceless. Timing is a great thing, I told you, I've called you. Yeah, my vote is normal. Let's go back to bed, don't freestyle, man, ain't meant to go on a beat life, nigga. Here I'm been living about 3 lives, nigga. I'm nicer when I'm high, man. I get to be to a new nice beat, I do this nice stuff. Right, you know I'm right. All these eyes on me still make me feel nervous, but I'm still so weak. Yeah, I'm right for this life, my team. You know, this rap life is a nice thing. You know how we do it? I read, alright. I'm always high, but I see. Right team to the mic, music is right. I always tell you to go up your life, nigga. Always tell you this gold up inside your life. Always. God, nigga, timing is a rightful thing, nigga. Time is a godly thing, nigga. You know how we rock the thing, nigga. Nigga, baby, AG is real, nigga. Running around, but I ain't one sitting up on the beat. Show my whistling up on the beat. Never joke, Even throwing evidence like I am sick, and it's nobody to reprimand me.
So, hey, I will keep going. 19, blowing like a wheel. Back to back cycling. On the beat, right. Got the right angle to the thing. I'm pointless. Your next up on his feet. Let me know finish my rhyme. My freestyle from the east. Punch that goes every day.
Pop up, come through, come through.
He says that's the beat. Sweat, let's be that you turn the most player in your playlist. When I'm gone, I do that like a song. On a drink or song to a two, are you fucking with me? Yeah, I'm the killer partner. Yeah. Tighter. My right tick. Oh, I'm coming with that right tick. That's right tick. Lines up like
I see you, man. I see.
Lines come out of them, but I never throw on the right one, nigga. Let's go. Yeah, this song's back, nigga. Make me feel like I'm the greatest rider in the world. Call every man real quick, cause that nigga can't
When I get them trying, I tell
I never go none of this, but they go rocky, make people's heads bob. Yeah, you know rock, call me Mr. Bob. I am building brick by brick to the top. Yeah.
Yeah. Make some noise, people. Come on now.
Yes, I said that. Making noise.
Come on. Come alive.
So yeah, y'all heard all the freestyles happening on the stage, man. You know it's burning up. Plenty of
Shout out.
challenge inside of the building. My name is Shasta, man.
Shout out
Welcome
to the
to
people.
the open
Make
mic
it
session. Yeah.
California game fucked up, yo.
exclusively
Alright, let me
here
do
in
this
Jeff
then.
Hand, Baba. We have the best of flavors.
Ah!
You know when they
I
call
need to
one
buy a new
spice,
phone,
Ham and guac.
Shout out.
It's all mixed up, all mashed up. Different types of tastes and different types of flavors that are going to be on stage.
We live.
We don't have a lineup going on, people.
Live.
You see when I'm holding this book here? Yeah, it means business. This guy now is. You guys used to have that principal.
Doing
the
the
principal until he's holding something. If he's holding a stick, he's that guy now. Even if you were sent by another teacher, it's no longer supposed to go that message there. That guy is on fire mode. That pipe that
Where
he's
your
carrying
phone?
it now means he's on
Let's go.
he's on carry mode if you don't mess with it.
Oh.
Even if you come
Oh yeah.
It's me, that guy, me now. You see this book here? That means I'm holding the lineup of artists who are going to perform on stage. So we have a lineup going on. The open mic for now has been... Right? So, next up, we have Mali Sesto. Mali Sesto. Mali. Who you want? Mali. Who you want? Mali. Good people. Who we want? Who we want? We want Mali. Who we want? Who we want? Who we want? We want Mali. Who we want? Who we want? Mali. Who we want? Mali. We want Mali. Who we want? Mali. Who we want? Mali. Who we want? Mali. It's gonna party. It's gonna party. If you're running Mali, you can run in Mali. And I'm in my footsteps. You're running Mali. You know we never down with no police call. In Mali, shit, somebody. Somebody. Party. I'm me. Only got a party. Party. Who we want? 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 Hey man, we wanted you. We even made a song here about wanting you, my man. You know the story of Kosong. Kosong, Kasongo, yeah, Karindaga, yeah, Kasongo, yeah. That guy was married, man. Then he disappeared.
Kasongo, yeah.
But because he was a musician, he's made a song about you.
The other one.
Kasongo ye, Kaninaga, Kasongo ye,
Ombo ye. Male. Outside drugs. Plain punch. No drugs, right? No drugs, you know. Phakathela ke to joa. Wena o re mshweshwe. I'm saying phakathela to joa. It's AV. Ke re phakathela to joa. I want to hear your verdict.
Sure.
Cause they don't need me like a leopard. You don't have to check your heart. Release me, just free me. Cause they don't need me like a leopard. You have to check your heart. Release me, oh, just free me. Cause they don't need me like a leopard. You have to check your heart.
The previous relationships for sure, turn until them I take it, killing me till you know. Wabasela tona support abuyishuda. Oh hard to get out tona nega yuba. Ukuru free waje batwere mula. All this them afela le rato habano le pruva. Ateka mena nikesa ngalo utola. Kineka chola kalata katege da otola. Umariwa mika milu nikisoka kifora. Sutavata yutuda bakisoka kifora. Watola malani.
Just free me. 'Cause you don't need me like a bird. You never change the sky.
Turmatata
Release me. Just free me. 'Cause you don't need me like a bird. You never change the sky. Like a honey. Really just a honey. Like a soledad. Really honey. Just a honey. Like a honey. Really just a honey. Like a soledad. Really honey. Just a honey. Like a honey. Really just a honey. Like a soledad. Really honey. Just a honey. Like a honey. Really just a honey. Like a soledad. Really honey. Just a honey.
Chato em, Chato em.
Like honey, Perija Serati, Nange Soledad, Hari Tori Sagopani.
Bapetu kupamaso ya kupa. Ataweza kupata meruish. Akipute tuantola. It is a two guy. I got one competition. Why? Luciana can't pretend. Kupa ipite the rest of it.
The best. Give us the best.
Sure. Kupa ipite our thing.
Oh, but you can switch it off your microphone. See, let's switch right.
Oh, come on. This is the one place.
Energy. Energy out of this world. 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 Check it out. Look at this, Joe. People are performing live. Let's go. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. Oh. Crazy, 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 crazy.
Crazy.
They're going crazy! Going crazy! Going crazy! Pirates and Chiefs 1-1. Pirates and Chiefs 1-1. Okay. Yeah, what's 7? What's 7 for you? I am your Zeus, man. My name is Zeus. I'm the one who's your Zeus. Who is it? Tyson, yeah, I remember this guy. Tyson. Shout out Tyson. I saw you doing J something. J1 making a song every day, which is cool.
Fire on the stage, Baba.
Great stuff.
When did the video that we go live? When did the video that we go live?
YouTube recommended your video, man, and yeah, that was cool. I saw that you got like your own,
Queens and
what do they call it? Your own series. So shout out, man. Shout out.
These people are filling us with all kinds of
This event should keep getting higher and higher. Thank you, Bachelor, for upholding the culture. 100%. 100%. I need to pin that. I need to pin that.
Just like that. Then South Africa is influenced by Sotho rap, and they're killing it, bro. They're killing it on some major scales.
I need to pin that. That is incredible. Yeah.
I see he's not here today. It's Pikachu. Pikachu, shout out to Pikachu. No, freaking Pika, dog. I'm telling you, that guy will shock electricity into you. You die right there.
Final.
Today we have Sesh Omnyama. Sesh Omnyama is gonna kill the stage next, Baba.
I'll say Chumya. Say shout out to my people in fit.
We got stacks, Baba. Plus we're chilling with niggas like here with Sesh, Baba. Talking about everything, so you should chill if you don't simply come here to comprehend, Baba. Sesh Omnyama. Give it up for Sesh!
What's going on? Blessings all around. My select. Ngabe uyisendetse mfana happy. Bulazi.
Kapona una that.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah. In this invasion, I'm going to discuss some heavy arsenal.
What's going on in fit with Allah? And the phone now is sharp. Look at this phone.
I want to
Phone now is sharp.
because last time he was here, he couldn't perform. It was a little bit late, right? It was a little bit late, so we couldn't exactly experience him. So people couldn't explain. I want you to experience Level High. But in the Bethlehem side, defending, guys, are we gonna talk about this? We have a traitor here, you know, guys. Powerful, you ran up to Kwako, my man. You're coming with an invasion.
Prof, what's the response, Prof?
Hey, I'm here with you. I'm the only person here who comes in peace, Baba. Between Kwako and Bethlehem, I'm the only one who comes in peace. Oh, Prof, Prof, get the Trojan horse. Trojan horse. I tell you, Trojan horse, I'll find you on us and see why I where's the performance? We're here, killing the stage here. Couple of battle of rappers did come through, but Bethlehem tried to defend our honor.
Going crazy.
We tried, but then there's people like Harold the Herbsman. Harold the Herbsman is Rastafarian. Killed the stage here.
Tabadiati.
So Harold the Herbsman is also on the line. In Bethlehem's defense, Zeus, the god of lightning, is in the house.
Let's say I'm on the lineup. What?
If you know about Bethlehem, Zeus. What do you know about Bethlehem rap consistency?
Crazy.
You cannot have that conversation.
Did you hear that?
Zeus inside, you know what I mean? Zeus is one of the most consistent rappers in Bethlehem since Prophet Pairs, since
I'm being humbled, Joel. I'm being humbled. What's the galad?
Who's also here. Noxela's also here. No man, yeah.
And I've been here for 5 days, bro.
That's like one of the pioneers of rap in Bethlehem.
Crazy.
Look at that young way. Since Jaha ran a loose Kajarkinda, we watched the chain.
Crazy.
Okay, chain out wire and make it so. Well, I'll say if you are talking about then and so Yamela chain. So, Session Yama, we ready? Yeah?
Call another one because the phone has up.
Okay, so it does seem we have a bit of a technical difficulty. Do we have another artist who's gonna go up next? I wanna make something happen, why not still have fun? If you have the chance, people go and gather. We already have Johnny, we have done Sesh, we are still waiting for your him and quite a boom that became identity. Munna barike ID. Identity. Where's identity? Identity, we want ID. Identity, we want ID. Identity, we want.
Yeah?
Identity, we want. Right.
Suspect is very busy. Tamela is in tomorrow. Mujo is it up, please.
Ke passport. Ke ID.
So giving me
Monna, what's the woman since I tremble? I think we got this in it. I'm not certified. Identity, give him a shout out, identity.
going crazy in the chat.
Chapuze bafethu.
You got Tyson and
Ona bafethu ngathi bafethu. Yeah man.
It needs you all. Shut up. Yeah, I'm still here with AP.
Yeah man. Kaya titi bafethu. Tutakuwa cocktail chaba wabo. Kikoregisa bafethu. Anotama yini. Tamani shande sikakhoti. Kelemo kitokayisa bafethu. So along the way, something accompanied the head suspect. Can I go do something?
Suspect them with you. Let go and suspect them with you. Suspect them with you. Suspect them with you.
On TikTok, we get it, TT9193.
Suspect
social platform.
Suspect them with you.
Babo, we get it, TT9193.
Suspect them
with you. So,
Madam,
my DJ and my producer get heritage man. Actually, come from Twitter.
Hot mama. Hot mama.
Can you performance?
Music video to soon, guys. Follow her.
Yeah,
watch that. She's looking very on that music video. She's like, with the cows and everything. She's like, what is it?
Sure.
Madam.
Yeah, man.
Mara, yeah, she has a music video coming up, so let me check it out there. We also did an EP that it's crazy.
Beautiful.
Go and check it out, man.
Please, my beautiful people. Ungapost my
Sure.
You must
I come alive in the night to share the stories with the moon. Smoking heavily, we don't forget what time it is, what it is. Kabona kama saying how to
how no perform.
Now saying
how no perform. How no perform.
But you say how you move like it is sample head. You know bobo na defeat. Kibali base, baba babona ba base.
Madam Bad. Her name is Madam Bad on all social media, so you can get her there.
What is life?
Madam Bad. Like you write it, Madam Bad.
Part of the debate. Nani wena really babit. Relaka. Kimkaka se de mate. Mama sa shoka hate. Mapule ole mate. Konembo e mate. Pilo babu say.
Yes, bro. Yes, Madam Bad. You can actually find her profile on my own shit.
I know you hear me. Otherwise, I was on you. I dress up and wear now. Very simple. Sure. Because people cannot keep on the magic and the future and tell us something. Because cannot keep on the magic and the future and tell us something. Because cannot keep on the magic and the future and tell us something. Because cannot keep on the magic and the future and tell us something. Ichu quanto care boom bap. Just remember, what I did you money for Pupisa. One child in Galafa. Ichu quanto care boom She's a people and people are watching them and the future and tell us something.
Tell us something.
People are watching them and the future and tell us something.
Nitele something. Nitele something. Nitele something.
I'm the one man that's on me. This keeps and I give you two. So you my bull I cannot buy. Hey, you're not in here, no. I cannot do. I don't like you got a boom bag, so niggas gotta boom bag. That's an opinion that I should tell you boom bag. I best got beat test, so I knew a boom bag. And I got beat test, so I need you boom bag. You know that you're not beat and I'm telling you a boom bag. Papu Fule, Atata Mobile Fule. You had a legion, I don't know the talent to bed. You had a legion, I don't know the talent. She don't want mind and space. You don't know what that was a bit. What I want to jump us up on a bed. Quite a guy boom bag, you need to better boom bag. Suspect you bullet. Just a people that want you to tell it, teach and then tell it something.
Nitele something.
People that want you to tell it, teach and then tell it something.
Nitele something.
People that want you to tell it, teach and then tell it something.
Nitele something. También lo dice. Nitele something. Oh, yeah, it all. Nitele something. Oh, yeah, it all. Nitele something. Oh, got it. Yeke man dog. Funike man.
Very special lady to wear that day. Very much shata away na. Kau pasal mana lah tu? Yeah, betul kau tak pakai itu. Sudah sangat kau kembali. Awak nak apa pun? Ya, apa itu kita nak action, kita nak bina kita kado. Sama dengan bed. Cukup itu kado boom bag. Sure. Yeah. Quite a guy of boom bag. Kau lagi he. Jadi buat apa pakai? Kita pakai fish. Lagi ni kos nak lagi lagi. Kau cuma yang jadi tak boleh. Jadi nak apa yang nak korang all we need. 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 It's all I need. All we need. And it's all we need. tuko pasha very much. Kita lagi ko pa si Dere na lahat ng Pilipina. Dere ko sa pala chilis. Ichu. Uka vai tocar boom bag.
baba.
Ichu. Sure. Hey, ya mama take it easy. You better take it easy. See, I take it easy. Hey, ya mama take it easy. And that's the money take it easy. If the police are take it easy. Hey, ya mama take it easy. Ay, sure. Boom bag. Mitata la bakisa uskwatisi apakita la nimbo asesa. Oro kaka. Lebo mana kompani la juda na kaspani machasa ni batesaki. Yema mela la la. Puro kali shaka. Joti no be apaki. Basi sore pick down. Tata runa kata down. Papa kama puro kabisa kali kwa. Nagare kufele malafata. Unakukuja ndo chipezane chapana. Akakukuja la chapaka. Shega hoda zizu sabataba. Arma sasa go shebe sabataba. Koma site babu na keji babolo spa. Utakukele. Ai, dawa take it easy. You better take it easy. Ai, take it easy. Ya baba take it easy. And the money take it easy. If the police are there, sticky. Ya baba take it easy. Ya, take it easy. Ai, ya baba take it easy. Ya la better take it easy. Ai, take it easy. Ai, ya baba take it easy. And the money take it easy. If the police are there, sticky. Ya baba take it easy. Take it easy. Oh, vai jogar no boom bag, cadê o Mama Kate? Get it easy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Identity. Give it up for identity. Yeah. Better give it up on without any wasting time, thank you, Identity. By the way, if you're on the links, socials, look them up. Identity. Ne? ID?
Zeus.
Social handles. Identity.
Phone. Zeus call.
Yes, sir. That's Identity. You can find it anywhere: Instagram, YouTube. And his album just dropped, so we're probably looking out for that fire as well. Next on the stage, without any wasting a singular second, good session, Yama. I understand his stuff came through. His stuff came through, and now he's gonna kill us with a performance. Sesh! Kill the stage, my brother. Give it up for Sesh! Look. It was for me, the offensive. Ei, tava de nova. Passando, ei, se chama de ei, tava de nova. Mpasha wafethu sisemunade kotini.
Fled. Yeah. Hey, ikakabeka tablet. Let's go. La Piji. La. Ola. Ola. Ola Piji. Ola. 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 Yo, support local talent too. Support local talent. Support local. Support local. Bakari ne? Bakari.
Yeah, Bakari. Yo. Shit. Yo. So, this one is called Bakari. It's very bonita. Unfortunately, she's not here. But I get
Wabulai. Section. There is.
Lele,
Jesus.
This one is called Bakari. It's not the least of it. I can come up close and shoot them. Come on. On the next one, I go pump it's a Rasta man. This one is called the Panda. Can we invite 0580 plus Shandy's record? It's a quad on the tella. I tell you,
Shout out Shandy's.
that's how we play starter. You never Panda Joe. Why you not Panda Joe?
Hanging corn. Yeah. Shout out, Mr. Ashwin. Yes, it's very dope, bro.
Okay, if you please like, please fall. So to must get fancy. How if you don't want this like? Tell me to touch and let's get tough like. Shadow his itches and don't break and fancy. I've been moving with the best on Steve and make it. Hey, we moving from the audience. Just like a cream. Man's and make it. I can let's see you. To the good part that you Oh yeah.
Shout out.
Yes, I.
Yo. I whether you like it or not. We are sleeping on session.
Kaiser Chiefs.
Yeah.
Go to my family.
You. And we are
Look
sleeping
at my
on
family.
session. No, yeah. So
Update.
I was sleeping on the boy. We're sleeping on the boy. Welcome to Azania Cafe. My name is Shaq Lemaire, your MC for today. We have the Invasion open mic session. Is featuring with us here. Shandy's Records, shout out.
Update. Pirates
2.
Kaiser Chiefs 1. Hello.
Namona wasapalanya. Aska kalanya guys, harus kalana. Harus kalana. Even though pirates win, harus kalana. Is everybody having a great time though? Is everybody having a great time? Hi.
I had to do it. Bro. I had to do it.
Oh, niggas are talented out here, bro. Forget that. How would you ever think of that? Yeah? Alright, next on the stage we have J Flavor, their savior, the man, the color, the hero, J Flavor. What you say, bruh? What you say, bruh? It's J Flavor. Tell me what you say, bruh. What you say, bruh? J Flavor. Tell me what you say, bruh. What you say, bruh? It's J Flavor. It's J Flavor. Taking the stage, getting the box, giving your faith on the stage. J Flavor. Give him a sound, yo. Shout out for J Flavor.
Shout out!
Hakina spaza bara minding my business. Jola wana omu short maro fiti. Weta kikalega speedy. You already know Kimnatika skilly. What's all of this?
Did you hear that?
J'ai vraiment gagné du video.
Going crazy.
Hey, I could listen. Manifest Panabiti.
212.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Magaskale bala range.
Asa remeti selector.
Olofo.
Kila wana link it. She will come so I can drink it. She only needs one kibula zip. I turn it off. I'm gonna French. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey!
I get us as a barrack in my business. Jola over short, what are you can make a species? You already know that you can take a species. You can take a species. You already know that you can take a species. You can take a species. You already know
Because now it's Maramo
tell me why you stop that beat. I did it good. I said I never played you. Now they wanna.
Whoa!
Now they cannot take off. Let's go. But I keep minding my business. I wanna almost short trouble. There's a guitar a speedy. You really know man cannot take a speedy. Cannot take a speedy. You really know man cannot take a speedy. Cannot take a speedy. You really know man cannot take a speedy. I live at the deep, anyway, she wanted like a teacher. And she said she wanted as a diva. She's so good, can we feel her? And I drive me crazy. And I wonder that she's not crazy. And I'm putting me so crazy. One more time, let's go. And I think I see. So what I'll tell you. So I'll go tell us this. I can't start the bar, I keep minding my business.
Yeah.
Jola wana almost short, marafiti. Where's I get that like a speedy? You already know, man, keep that like a speedy. Keep that like a speedy. You already know, man, keep that like a speedy. Hotman. Jalo ke kena banana eh. Kena banana udah level next year. Respond.
Oh my God.
Let's go. DJ Blaze Babu.
What do that session different? You gotta invade. Invade. I will not invade.
This one is all about video. If you chance à repousser d'ici, Khale pas qu'elle ma fille, Khale pas pour ma pizza ma pizza. I'm cooking, baby, eat, but put the man to sleep on the pizza. You want to tata pizza, banana the moon, I was a piece of people. I'm a party, I'm a film for little who push on the floor. Oh yeah, Jenna, you want to Jenna, give up that word. The only one I can say is so simple. I give my avocado. I never shall have a father. Johnny, keep on telling. The only one I can say is so simple. I give my avocado. I never shall have a father. Johnny, keep on telling. Oh, Jenna, give up that word. Let's go, Betty. Utendi malum shot, utendi problem shot, utendi squadron shot, utendi mawibim shot, utendi malum shot, utendi problem shot, utendi squadron shot, utendi mawibim shot. Let's go, Sibet. Otani production, Otani production, Otani motivation. Second place every day, Otani she's in the place. My house is in a place, everything else is in a place. No side break, no guess, what you guys have for the next thing. There's no way.
Crazy. They're not here, father. They're not here. I don't know where they at. Now it's the weekend. Maybe I'm out, you know. Maybe I'm out. They chill. They chilling somewhere. I cannot listen to I prepare. I'm a sharp.
J Flavor, ladies and gentlemen, give him a hand of applause. Yeah. How's everybody feeling? You guys having a good time? Yeah, absolutely having a good time. Alright, so we just had J Flavor. Next we're gonna have Lebo Baby, followed by Harold the Herbs Man. Yeah. Alright, so those are people from Plapa. I was just talking with the guys there.
Shit.
Man.
I can't even know.
Why don't you guys ever visit us there?
I see.
Guys, listen. I love you guys, man. I love God. Ooh, I love God. Hey, but guys, no, you know you can love someone from far. You can, hey, you can
Hey,
hey, what?
I
guys want
This guy always on. I even thought for
Hey, what's your point? I'm like, this guy what's up? I can't join now.
Yo, what up?
Happiness birds everywhere.
Hey, Joe.
I'm
Fire! You see now what's going on? Joe, why is it so slow, man? Why is it so slow? Hi everybody, it's your boy Notzilla here.
Yeah.
Emma, what I want to talk to you about is this behind the camera.
Oh.
But we'll talk.
What up, everybody? It's I hope you all having a good time and blissful, because we also having a good time here. You see everybody's bouncing around, joyful. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Harold the Headsman, the Herbsman after this.
Everybody okay?
Yo.
Alright. Like Lebohamo Baby, I'm an Afro Soul artist. On all socials, Lebohamo Baby. And we have a page on Facebook, The Music with Lebohamo Baby. And we have a project out. It's a new Dawn, Mafubia Macha. I'm gonna do 2 tracks from Project New Dawn. And then we're happy before your Memos of a Broken Child. They are on all digital platforms. Yes. So I hope that I enjoy the performance.
Always in always. They're all asleep. Wake them up.
bitso la ka ke Lebohang ke kgorula ya Mmanapa Phokotsana fatala wetsi Phokotsana ya magolobe Mamele ho ke bua le lona Izinto zisazoshiya 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 isimo sisazoguquka izinto zisazoshiya sungalahithemba izinto zisazoshiya isimo sisazoguquka izinto zisazoshiya Sabache uyazama izinto azihlangani Sungalahithe shona phezulu Apusizo lwakho luvela khona Siyehliyembe baphela abangani John Jesus Sungalahithe shona phezulu Apusizo lwakho
Yeah, man. Event is gonna go on, but we gotta leave, man. I'm gonna show you the behind the scenes also. Be back!
Thank you very much. My name is Lebohang Popeng.
Hey. Minuto mjalela.
Lebohang Popeng, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's exactly what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. Because just as I didn't feel early this thing, man. Now you go ahead. Yeah. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So, what I'm proud of today is that stage is a variety. Usually, I say, this is the amount of rap.
Ngiqalele ngale session.
I know, who really house that was.
Ngiqale ngale ibhala ukuthi
That
session.
is fine.
I'm wrong. No, never. Please start with Arab. And then ngizokutshela ukuthi mawudlala i-Arab, I will tell you ukuthi it's wrong. It can be wrong. If it's not it, you are going to change it to this. Yabo? Arab or this. I will tell you uqale nga-Arab. If it's wrong, I will tell you ukuthi uze kule. And then from then I will tell you ukuthi which one. But you are on this list.
Are we ready, Harold?
Because nami yangazi uzodlala. Yeah man.
Are we ready with Harold the Herbs Man? It's Harold the Herbs Man. Yeah, it's Harold the Herbs Man. Harold the Herbs Man.
1 2.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Let's give it a hand of applause for Harold.
Hey, dumelang. Sanibona.
To end the stream, Joe.
My name is Harold the Herbsman, all the way from Newcastle, KZN. Iseqwaqwa ngowesipani, representing Shandy's Records.